A hero in action. Watch as this man risks everything to save a life in the raging river. By the river with a strong current, a man quickly jumped into the water to save a little kid who was being swept away. But his first attempt didn't go as planned. As he tried to grab the child, he too got caught in the powerful current. Despite the danger, he didn't give up. With all his strength, he fought against the rushing water and tried to get closer to the kid. In a tense moment, he finally managed to grab the child and held them tightly. After a fierce struggle, he brought the child to a safer spot, keeping them out of further danger. His solo heroic act showed incredible courage and determination to save a life in the face of nature's threats.